Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here to share with you a haul from Craft Supplies for You. As you know, Julie is having a 30% off sale. It's going on right now until tomorrow. So you still have 24 hours to get your goodies, and I want to show you some of the goodies that I got because I thought 30%, that's a good deal. So her prices are already low, and now with the 30% off, I mean, these are bargains. So I wanted to stock up on a few things that I was getting low on, and one of them was doilies, and Julie has the best deal on doilies anywhere. And I've looked in a lot of places, and Julie has the best prices. So this is the first pack of doilies that I got, and this comes in a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A pack of 10. And look at how pretty these are. They're a beautiful ecru color. I just love this color. So pretty. Such a nice pattern. Really, really nice. So that's the first one. And then this one, this might also be a set of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yep, 9, 10. These are a little bigger and they're a little lighter than the first ones, but look how pretty. You can see the color difference there and the size. So pretty and so soft. I absolutely love these. Super, super soft. And then these are fairly new and they're really cool and different. I love them. Look at that. It almost reminds me kind of a Celtic knot in a way. They're so pretty. I really love them. And these are 8, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's 8 of these. So really good deal on doilies, you guys. You don't want to miss that. So I got those for doilies. So let's put those aside. And then, of course, the rest is laces. The first thing I got, which is a staple that I need all the time, is the this gimpy Chinese braid. And I love it. I got it in white, and it's so soft. I've gotten Chinese braid before from other people, and I always find that the ends fray. I don't know where Julie gets it or anything, but hers never frays. It's really much better quality than the stuff I had before. She gets a really good deal on this, and you get, I think, 3 yards. Yeah, I think it's 3 yards, 3 or 4 yards. Check it on the store there and see, but she has this in all different colors. I get white because I like to dye my laces, so I just usually get white, but I love this trim, and it's a good deal right now with the 30% off. I'm going to save that one. Let's show you this one. Look at this beautiful dangle trim. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. Really pretty. It's like it's close to the color of the doilies. The doilies are slightly darker. So it's kind of a tan color, I would say. But I love it. It's so pretty. It looks like a vintage doily to me. So I love that. So I got, I think, 2 yards of that one. And then this I had before, but I've used it on a couple of projects, and it's a fairly new one in Julie's store, but I just, oh, I love it. Look at this. So beautiful. And it's like a teal color in the background with all this beautiful beading. It's so beautiful. I just love it. So I'm not sure how much of that's left. I think there was only like a yard or 2 left when I bought mine. So I'm not sure if that's still in stock. You'd have to look. This is one that I have had before that I ran out of, and I love it. It's a really nice trim for gathering because it curves. It's a really cool trim. I love it. Really so soft too. Everything's just beautiful. And then Julie got some laces in that she'd had in before that we've been dying to get in, and she finally got them in, and we're so thrilled. And this is the one that we call the peacock lace, and I bought several yards because, well, I did. It's one of my favorite trims. You can get 2 trims out of it. You can cut it at the top if you like, and then just have the bottom. But usually I use the whole thing. I just love it. And I've dyed this before. It takes the dyes really nice. It tea dyes just beautifully. Really makes it a vintage color. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous trim that she's got at KS4U. And I know she's selling quite a bit of it. So now's the time to grab it while it's on sale. And this is the other one that she got. And she got this in cream and white, but I only got the white because I end up dyeing it anyway. So I just got white, and I got 5 yards of that. So another one of my favorites. Just absolutely love, love, love this lace. Look at the little flower dangles at the bottom. So pretty. So I love those. And then the loopy flowers. I was low on a couple of colors, so I got them in pink, and I got another lavender. I got another yard of each just to keep my stash up because I love these so much. And in the store, they're not listed as loopy flowers. That's just what we call them. They're listed as 3D flowers. 3D flower trim they're listed under. So make sure you, if you can't find them, do a search for 3D flower trim on the store and you will find these. So yeah, I love these. So pretty, gorgeous spring colors. And then I wanted to get some flat and some gathered laces because that is really running low in my stash. So these are some of the flat laces that I got. They're absolutely gorgeous. Look at, so beautiful. You know, and everybody wants to have these kinds of laces in their stash because you want to make flowers with them. Look at how pretty that would be as a flower. It's gorgeous. I love this lace. So, so pretty. So I got a few yards of that. And then I got this beautiful gathered lace. This is another one of my favorites from Julie's store. And it's got the top stitching on it. It's so pretty. You can see all the little top stitching and the cording on the top there. Kind of reminds me of French lace. I love it. And incredibly soft too. Really beautiful lace. I love that lace. And then I got this one, and this one comes in several yards. I think it comes in 3-yard increments. So it's a good deal. I think that's the right way up. And it's in a off-white color. I want to say ivory, I would say. Very, very pretty trim there. So there's that one. And then this is a smaller one that I got. Another little pretty, pretty edging trim with the top stitching on top as well. You can see here it's got the little top stitching there. Super pretty. And then last but not least, I got this trim. Another little gathered one, sort of a, you know, I got a small, medium, and a large. So there's that one. So that is my little haul from Craft Supplies for You. And remember that the sale is only on for one more day. And you can use the coupon code SALE30 on the .net store. If you shop at the Zibbet store, you don't need a code. The discount has been taken off for you. So you don't have to worry about it if you shop on Zibbet. But if you're on the .net store, just type it in at the end where it says coupon code, and you'll see the spot there to put it in when you're checking out. So go and check out the sale before it ends tomorrow, guys, and I will be back with another video soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.